Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. Happy Halloween, everybody! Happy Halloween to all who celebrate. This is my Halloween dinner. This is Impletata. This is Paprika Hendl on top of Mamaliga. Does anybody recognize those names? Fans of Bram Stoker's Dracula will recognize them as recipes that Jonathan Harker copied down to take home to his Mina as he was traveling to Transylvania. The impletata is basically, it's described as an eggplant stuffed with forcemeat, which is what most people figure is sausage. So I prepared the eggplant according to the recipe by hollowing it out, chopping the chunks and setting them aside and cooking them with some Beyond sausage, some seasonings and some breadcrumbs, and then stuffing it in the shell and baking it. The Mamaliga is very simple. It's basically a polenta. And the Paprika Hendl, also known as chicken paprikash or paprika chicken, is made from a very rich, delicious sauce. There's 2 whole tablespoons of hot Hungarian paprika in there, plus a little bit of smoked paprika, some onion, some vegetable broth, and some white wine. And I used Gardein Ultimate chicken fillets. I had to scrape the breading off. I wish I could get a chicken that didn't have any crap on it. Well, anyway. Cooked according to the package directions, etc., etc. Let me slice that and slice a chunk of the chicken, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, here goes. Mmm. Mmm. Sorry. Took a big bite. This is so flavorful. It's pretty spicy. If you don't like hot spice, use sweet paprika. The Mamaliga is so good. There's butter in it. Very creamy. And this, I had some of the stuffing. So good. It's messy. Messy plate. But it's so tasty. I'm glad I finally got around to making this. So the recipes will be on my blog, and I will link to them in the description, along with the previous video. Regular uploads, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. But this is a special holiday upload on Monday. I do community tab posts Wednesday and Friday, but I've been doing them all weekend for Halloween. Scary movies and scary songs. I will have dessert coming up, so wait for that. And thank you for watching, sharing, subscribing, commenting, liking, disliking, whatever you feel like doing. Thank you. Let me have one more bite for the road. It's a very good sauce. You could just make of course, anything that's got white wine or red wine cooked into it is just wonderful. I don't know what that does to it. I mean, the alcohol simmers out. Most of the alcohol simmers out. If you've never read Bram Stoker's Dracula, and you like to read, and you like scary stories, it's excellent. It's a real classic. I'm lucky to have an Audible version with an all-star cast, including Tim Curry. I love listening to that. I'm probably going to listen to that tonight. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Happy Halloween to everybody who celebrates, and I will see you later.